Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Everyone's asking this question: will AI replace my job? Well, let's have a look. Imagine you're working in a hospital. AI is helping doctors with diagnoses and patient care. It's not replacing them, it's augmenting their skills. AI is also revolutionizing the way we do things like data analysis and financial forecasting. So, what sets the human apart from the machine? It's creativity. Human skills like empathy, problem-solving, and critical thinking are still essential in many jobs. Think of a teacher. They don't just teach facts, they inspire young minds. The key is to learn how to work alongside AI systems. It's like having a new tool in your toolbox. You need to understand its capabilities and limitations, then use it to automate repetitive tasks and focus on high-value work. We're already seeing this in action. For instance, AI-powered chatbots are being used in customer service to provide 24/7 support. And self-driving cars are being tested on roads around the world. In summary, AI is changing many jobs, but it's not replacing humans. It's augmenting our skills and automating repetitive tasks. By learning to work with AI, we can focus on high-value work and be more creative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more AI-related content.